Hello everyone and welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to scan any QR code in seconds using Google Lens on your phone. First, unlock your phone and make sure you have the Google app installed. It's free and usually comes pre-installed on most Android phones. Open the Google app. On the main search bar, you'll see a small camera icon. That's the Google Lens button. Tap on it. Point your phone's camera at the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the QR code is clearly within the viewfinder. Google Lens will automatically recognize the QR code. You don't even need to take a picture. A link or information will pop up at the bottom of your screen. Tap on the pop-up notification. This will open the content behind the QR code, which could be a website, a Wi-Fi password, or contact details if it doesn't scan automatically. You can tap the shutter button to take a picture, and Lens will analyze it, and that's it. You've just used Google Lens to quickly and safely scan a QR code without needing a separate app. If you found this tech tip useful, let me know what the last QR code you scanned was for, and I'll see you in the next one.